In this video, I want to talk to you about merch on demand finally tearing people up and if it is true or not. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print on demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print on demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before we talk about merch on demand tearing people up and if it's true or not, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand. So today is Saturday, March 15th, 6:11 a.m. in the morning, and sitting at 0 sales so far, but still pretty early. But the past 2 days have been really good. Yesterday I did 37 sales, $88 in royalties, and then the day before that I had a really big day, 69 sales, $160 in royalties. So that was really nice to see sales picking back up. I also raised all my prices because I was just sick of getting all these low royalties. So basically bumped everything up to $17.99. That's kind of my sweet spot now. But that is going to put me at 639 sales for the month and $923 in royalties. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. So one of the biggest complaints on merch on demand as of late is that, there have been no tier ups. It's been like a year since people have been tiered up. That's the last time I got tiered up. I believe it was in May of 2024. I went from tier 8,000 to 10,000. That's what I've been sitting at. And basically everybody's just been really complaining about the tier ups and how it hasn't been happening. And it is a little frustrating, but really not too much we can do about it. But I was on a Facebook group yesterday. I'm in a couple Facebook groups for merch on demand. This one right here is by Ryan Hogue. He's got that big YouTube channel. And I actually saw a post, which was this one right here, saying that finally tier up. Now, usually when people talk about tier ups in these Facebook groups, a lot of people just make jokes saying, yeah, right, never going to happen. April Fool's Day, ha, ha, ha. But I saw finally tier up, and I started going through the comments, and I saw here too. Or let's go ahead and just take a look at these comments right here, because here we're going to say here too. It says congrats, which tier, now 25. Now at first I was a little skeptical. I was like, nah, is this a scam? Because the person that's posting it says anonymous member. They don't even have a name. But when I started going through the comments, I started to get a little more convinced that, hey, maybe this could be true. It says, yes, but tier up has arrived. What can I say? I'm a skeptic, but we'll verify this rare occurrence. So people are making some funny comments. Let's see right here. This person says, you lie like a cheap watch. But then he says, bro, it's true. And then they kind of like fighting here. It's a lie. No, it's true. It's true. Well, I guess not for everybody. That's true. Many people got a tier up today. Some people are saying congratulations. What tier? True. I made a post right here saying for anyone that has been tiered up, can you show a screenshot from Pretty Merch just to actually prove it so we can actually know whether it's true or not. And then we got some more comments right here. People saying like, some people say that I lie. What the F? Why would I lie about that? And right here, remember I checked and didn't get tiered up. And this person says tier up for only tier 10. So I started to think like, okay, maybe this could be true. So what I did is I made a post in this group right here saying, right here, for anyone that's been tiered up, can you show a screenshot from Pretty Merch? And I actually got a response. I think it was, actually no, it was in another thread. I think it was in this one right here. I just got to find it. Maybe it was in my original post. Give me a second here. Okay, so I found it. It was in this post right here. Another anonymous member, maybe it was the same one who made the original post, says few tier ups for tier 10 and 25 only. So here we go again. And then I made this comment right here asking people if someone could actually prove it. And then this person put this screenshot right here saying a new tier is waiting for you, reveal new tier. Now when you get tiered up, this is the screenshot or the pop-up that pops up. When you get tiered up, you click on the button and all the confetti pops up and they show you your new tier. It's actually pretty exciting. But I want to know if this is true or not, because maybe anybody could just make this up, or maybe it's an old one from years past. But when I looked at the date, it says yesterday 3/13. Now yesterday was 3/14, so this would actually make sense. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, I think this is a good chance that it could be true. So, what do you guys think? Do you guys think this is true or not? Do you think merch on demand is finally tearing people up? If it is true, it would be great news, because it's been like a year and everybody wants to get tiered up so we can finally push out new designs. So check your account. Me personally, I did not get tiered up. I'm still sitting at tier 10,000. I would like to get tiered up. But it'd be really nice if they could do that, because then we could finally, stop complaining about merch on demand and really just be grateful for how great of a platform it is. I've tried so many, ways to make money online, and merch on demand has always been the best one. So this is going to be really exciting news. Check your account, see if you got tiered up. It looks like from reading the comments on these Facebook groups is that it's only people in the lower tiers, in tier 10 and tier 25. And then another thing that I also saw and also have experience with is that usually it kind of comes in waves. So they'll do a tier up, and then 10 days later they'll do like another tier up for another wave of people. I remember that happened to me last year. Everybody was getting tiered up but not me, and I was like, what's up, where's my tier up? And people were like, oh, just wait, it's coming, and it actually did end up coming about 10 days after everybody got tiered up. So check your account and comment below. Do you think this is true or not? Is this a scam? Are people just trying to BS everybody because we got April Fools coming up? Or do you really think that people in the lower tiers are getting tiered up? I want to hear your comments in the comment section. Now I want to share with you my SKOOL community. So if you don't know what SKOOL is, it's basically a paid Facebook group but on steroids. And when you join my SKOOL community, every day you get niches. I'm doing about 4 niches a day, 2 evergreen, 2 trending, because some people just want trending, some people just want evergreen. So I'll try and make both people happy. And then you also get prompts to go with those niches. So here's an example. So 6 days ago, I made this post right here sharing these 4 niches. And the way that I do it is you get the niche, then you get a link to the niche so you can see that the design is actually selling, so that it's converting. And then here you get the prompt, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can actually see what the designs look like from ideogram. Let's just go ahead and make this a little bigger. You can actually download these if you want and just get rid of the background and upload as is, or you can just go ahead and make your own prompts, or you can just take the idea and run with it and make your own original design. But basically every day you're going to be getting niches, and you're going to be getting prompts to go with those niches. And then above and beyond that, you also get access to this classroom section right here. And basically what I'm doing is I'm just like making a course. So I got these like value videos like A to Z prompt creation, how to write listings, 3 design styles, 30 proven animal phrases. I'm going to be making some more of these like for food, like for all the evergreen niches, animals, food, careers, hobbies, things like that. I just made this one about how to protect or keep your merch account safe. So my 5 rules, how to check for trademarks. And so little by little, I'm just adding these like videos. So it's basically like a course in itself. But then you get access to all my GPTs. I currently have 4 GPTs. They're all really good, but this one is my favorite. It's the SEO keyword vault. This will actually make really rich SEO listings for you. So it'll give you a title, a brand, bullet 1, bullet 2, and a really good description. You can also use this GPT right here to get more prompts. This one right here is for merch on demand ads, get you keywords. And then this crossover GPT is really cool. Basically, you could just pop in any niche, so like Easter, and it will cross niche it with 100 evergreen niches. It'll give you ideas, phrases, just to really help you if you want to be more kind of like original. When you sign up, you just get this bonus right here. It's 1,000 evergreen niches. So that's just like a bonus for signing up. And then you get access to all of my past prompts. Now for these, you have to like engage and get points, like gamification. One thing I forgot to mention for the GPTs, you have to have a Chat GPT Plus account. That's $20. That's separate from the SKOOL community. There's no way I can get around that, but I think it's worth it, especially for this keyword one for the listings. But back to the prompts, you get access to all my past prompts as long as you participate and engage. But then you also get access to all my free prompts as well. So like every month I put out like 100 prompt file for like niches that will be trending 2 months from now, and any like new word file that I put out for prompts, you also get that as well. So really cool resource right here. And then once a month we do a mastermind group. So we got a mastermind group call on Zoom coming up. It's going to be the last Friday of this month. Then you're also just part of a community that's very positive. Like these Facebook groups I just showed you, sometimes they can be kind of toxic. People, I used to be like afraid to write questions in those because I know people are just gonna like tear me up, but that's not the way it is here. Everybody's very supportive. Everybody wants to see you succeed, help you out, so there's none of that like toxicity, on like the Facebook group. So if you want to be part of a thriving, positive community where you can learn, reach your merch on demand goals. I also got this one section because you have these categories. So if you go right here, we can go to your wins and accountability. So people are posting like their wins. So like this person right here, Heisen, he had $100 day the other day, so he's doing really good in the group. So if you're interested, check it out. The link will be in the description and the pinned comment. It's only 80 cents a day or $24 a month, and you can cancel at any time. So no commitment, but that's going to be the video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.